Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're hopping right in on this review on this beautiful 99J wig, so just keep watching. Hey y'all, what's good? So today's wig review is going to be on Remy's hair fashion. And inside of your box, you get your hair care instructions and how to take care of your wig. You get a wig cap and of course the wig itself. So I purchased their 24-inch straight hair wig, and this is also 150% density. Just tugging on the hair lightly. I didn't have that much shedding, so it's very minimal shedding. This hair was also really soft coming out of the package. So this is what the inside of the cap looks like. There's 3 combs, one on the left and one on the right side, and then you also have one located at the back of the cap, and then you also have adjustable straps to fit your head properly. So I'm just trying on the wig to see how it fits my head, to see if I need to make any adjustments, and it fits pretty good. The bangs were pretty long on the wig, so you'll see later on in the video that I do trim them just a little bit to fit my face. And then I'm just going to go straight in with a flat iron and press out the rest of the hair. And let me also mention that I got this off of Amazon, y'all. So go on and use that Prime membership if you got Prime membership, and get that Prime shipping, so you'll get that wig fast, because nobody likes waiting, you know, long periods of times for their wigs, especially if it's coming from overseas or whatnot. But yeah, go ahead and get that Prime shipping, girl. While flat ironing, I did find that the wig does take heat pretty well. I didn't have any issues with the hair burning or anything like that. And here is where I was stating earlier that you do see me trim the bangs a little bit, just because they were really in my face. I don't really like hair in my face like that, so yeah, you just see me trim the bangs here. She's looking good, y'all. Yes. And here I'm just using some Gots to Be freeze spray just to get rid of any flyaways. Here is my final look, which it really turned out cute. I really do like the look with the bangs, and I really like this color. It was really vibrant, especially against my skin tone. The bangs, like I said, they were a little bit too long, but I did cut them, and now they look super cute, so I love it. Here's the full length of the wig. It's still very soft even after straightening it with the flat iron. Yes, stiff wear. Here I'm just trying something different. I'm just trying to like just put curls in the bangs. It kind of it did actually came out cute. It kind of gave me like a mullet style, but it was just something different that I was trying. But yeah, I ended up liking it. I will leave the Amazon link below on where I purchased this wig down in the description box so you guys can check them out. Thanks for tuning into my channel, you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you'll know when I post new videos. Stay positive, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.